pre-matric and post-matric.
The St. Edmund'S College, Shillong on Saturday started its centenary celebration. The inaugural ceremony witnessed the participation of present and past pupils. A colourful display of cultural show and music marked the celebration as guests and past pupils and teachers took to the stage, flipping back the pages of time and also dwell upon the road ahead. Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy and alumni of the college said that the students should be ready to adapt to the changing scenario. He said there is no such thing as failure, as everything is a lesson and the students, apart from working hard, should be competitive. He also recalled the 3 teachings he learned from the college that he still follows: punctuality, attendance and being careful.
In our life, the journey which we travel, where St. Edmund'S College has teach us, St. Edmund's College has given us the way to be able to be someone in society. Brother Shillong has teach me 2 things in life which till today I cherish. One thing which he teach me, that the importance of attendance and carelessness, which I try to be.
West Shillong